Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the document. Double-click the header or footer area to enter edit mode and reveal header/footer tools. Once done, make sure print layout is active so spacing matches the final output. You'll see ruler and an option to show white space. Enable them to fine-tune where the header and footer begin. This prepares you to stop headers and footers without guessing positions and lets you target the exact section where changes are needed. Now you'll isolate the area where headers or footers must end. Insert a section break at the point where you want the header/footer to stop. Choose next page or continuous depending on layout. Once the new section exists, open header and footer tools and turn off link to previous. This severs the inherited header/footer. After unlinking, delete or modify the header/footer in the new section. This change won't affect earlier sections because you broke the link. Finish by closing header/footer and scanning the document in print layout to confirm headers and footers stop where intended. If you see unexpected deletions or remaining headers, go back to each section's header/footer to verify link to previous is off and that a proper section break separates sections. If headers persist, delete the section break and reinsert it precisely, then unlink again. This corrects common mistakes caused by misplaced breaks or residual linking between sections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.